Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and if you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. Today, because it's spring, it's gorgeous here in Southern California, and I'm thinking flowers, bees, butterflies, all those fun kind of things. I thought I would show you two really easy and really cool ways to make butterflies. And you can use them in your mixed media art, you can use them to decorate walls, you can use them for weddings, baby showers, you can use them for your journals. So come with me and let's check out how to make these super adorable butterflies. For the first butterfly, we're going to make the easiest one first, and that is this accordion folded one. It's super simple and doesn't take long to make it all. First, we're going to start with this square piece of paper to make this very simple accordion butterfly. And this square of paper is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, so it is squared. What you're going to do is just take the piece of paper and fold it in half. Put your crease down the center like that, and then you're going to open it up and cut it in half down your crease. Now, if you don't want to crease it first, just cut your paper in half. That's totally up to you. Okay. Once you get it cut in half, we're going to do the bottom set of wings first. So this bottom set right here. So we're going to turn our paper. We're going to accordion it this way, up this way. So we're going to lay it down, and we're just going to accordion, fold it fan-wise back and forth, back and forth. And once we get it back and forth, we're just going to crease it real good. Then we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to set it aside for a few minutes, and that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to just set it right there. Now we're going to take our other piece and longwise. We're going to fold each of these points into the center of the paper. Once you get them both folded into the center, it'll look like this, and then we're just going to start folding it fan style or accordion style, okay? And once you get it folded, then crease it real good. Fold it in half just like you did the other set, okay? And then when you have it done like this, so you're going to take this, the long set, fold it in half, and the little set, fold it in half, and put the V shape facing up for the top and facing down for the bottom. Line up the folds and then staple them or glue them in place, whatever you want to do. Okay, once you get them stapled in place, start fluffing them out. And then the bottom ones, fluff those out. And what you're going to do is there's a separation between the top and the bottom. I'm going to put just a little bit of double-sided tape on there. You can glue them if you want. I'm just going to put a little double-sided tape to hold them together. And once you get them like that, you fluff them out. So do the other side real fast. This is super easy. You get a really pretty butterfly. It'll add a lot to your Easter decorations, to your spring decorations, to any art piece that you're doing. Okay, so now you just fluff it out, and there you go. Simple as that. It will look good on a tag. It will look good on a pocket. There it is on a tag. You could put it on a pocket. It could be hanging from a charm or tassel off the side. Super cute. Like I said, great for decorations for your home, for art, for journals, for whatever. Now the next butterfly we're going to make is this one. This is a more flatter butterfly, and I used cardstock for this. You can use any type of paper you want, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need a square piece of paper, and it doesn't have to be perfect, just, you know, pretty close. If you want it exactly square, by all means do it square. This is cardstock. You can use anything. And what you do is you fold it in half first, that way. Okay, and then the folded part, like the open part, goes at the top. See the open part? Keep that at the top. Okay, once you fold it in half this way. So it looks like this. And then open it back up. And now you're going to take each corner to the center fold line. So it's going to go like that. And be sure and press it down. I'm going to do that second one. Okay, make sure you press it down really good. Okay, so now it looks like this. What we're going to do is turn it inside out. So open it up and take this little triangle you just folded and push it inside like that. So see, we took this outside one and pushed it up inside like that. We're going to do it again on this side. So you push it up. So now it looks like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold one across that way and then turn it over and fold one across in the back. Okay, so it looks like this now, and there's a little gap in between. Okay, so looks like this. So what we're going to do is just fold this down, straight down, and see how it makes that little V? Crease it there. Okay, and then we're going to take this side and just fold it straight down. I can't do it looking at you, but bring it straight down and it'll make like a little V. So you're not folding it, you're just taking it and folding it straight down, and you get this little V on the side here. And you just make that V like that. And there you go. You have a great butterfly for your journals, for your mixed media, for hanging in your room, for whatever you want. And the really cool thing about this one is it has this little base on it, and you can slide that in a pocket. It will also has a little pocket back here, so if you wanted to include a tag in it, make it a pocket of its own, you could do that. So this is really, really cool. And I hope you liked this video on butterflies. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure and hit the subscribe button above and the little bell so you'll know when more videos post. We have a lot of great ideas coming your way, and you don't want to miss out. Also, my vlog channel has launched. I will put the link down below, so be sure and head over there and check it out. So thanks for being here. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.